Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS THANOS 10, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the system. Now we have to tap on Advanced and tap on About Tablet, because here we have to find the build number. It will allow us to activate the developer options. So all we have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen not currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back and find developer options. So they will appear right above the system updates, I believe. So first of all, we have to turn on the developer options after entering them. And here, basically, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find the automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case, this option is turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. And from this moment, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically, you do not really have to do anything manually. Just remember about restarting your device, and then your device will automatically update the system. Of course, you can turn off this option whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually, this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your ODYS THANOS 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.